shout out to all Indoor Gardens employees, everybody who put this together.
You can find all of our products right at one of their 4, soon-to-be 5 stores.
Every single year, these guys are some of my favorite customers to deal with in Ohio. Great store, they'll always take care of you, very knowledgeable.
Come down and see them for all your specials and especially for your fish ship.
Hot pepper!
It's all available here at Indoor Gardens.
They've got a knowledgeable staff that's friendly and understands the needs of modern growers.
Thank you very much for stopping by.
Hot pepper!